At first glance, it's easy to think that all CNC machine tending robots are about the same, but nothing could be further from the truth. RoboJob robots are purpose-built and designed so it's easier to use and more reliable than generic systems deployed for machine tending. Our software speaks the language of machine tending, not that of a programmer. You're using a Windows-based, icon-driven drag-and-drop software that is highly intuitive and quick to learn. You can program a job in 4 or 5 minutes. Simple, fast, and easy. RoboJob robots are designed and constructed for a machine shop. They take up much less valuable floor space, and your machinist has complete access to the work table without the robot getting in the way. Our robot comes with all the critical safety features built in, and it seamlessly talks to your CNC. All that, and it costs less than you're currently paying your machine operator. Ready to explore how we're different from all the others? Call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.